Hey guys, Dobby back at you. Another story. Picture this, a massive auto parts plant, third shift, 2 a.m. The line's down because a big 480 volt motor control center bucket keeps tripping on overload. Maintenance foreman is losing his mind. Production's hemorrhaging money every minute the conveyor sits idle. Enter our hero, let's call him Sparky. Real name withheld to protect the ego. Journeyman industrial electrician, 15 years in. Knows his way around switchgear like the back of his hand. He suits up in his arc flash gear, the full moon suit getup, locks out the panel, pulls the faulty bucket, and starts troubleshooting. But the overload relay is fried. Classic symptom of a jammed downstream conveyor or a bad motor winding, but the quick fix is to swap in a spare bucket from inventory. Easy peasy. He grabs the spare, slides it in, torques the stabs, closes the door, removes locks, and powers it up. Light comes on, motor hums, conveyor starts moving, cheers from the operators. Then, about 30 seconds later, bang, a massive flash, the bucket ejects like it's possessed. Smoke blowing, breaker trips upstream. Whole section of the plant goes dark. Arc flash, alarm screaming. Fire suppression thinking about dumping halon. Everyone freezes. Foreman, what the hell just happened? Sparky, visor up, covered in soot like a chimney sweep. I swapped the bucket. Turns out in his haste at 2 a.m. he grabbed a spare bucket for the adjacent MCC section. Same frame size, same voltage, but wired for reverse rotation on a 3-phase motor setup. The motor tried to start in reverse while the conveyor was mechanically locked forward. Instant torque battle, motor versus jam chain. The overload didn't trip fast enough because the spare relay was calibrated differently. Someone had swapped it years ago for a lighter load. Boom, phase to phase short. Melted bus stabs. Bucket launched like a cannonball. Cleanup took 3 days. New bucket, bus repair. Engineering change order. Incident report thicker than a phone book. The plant safety guy still shows the photos in new hire training as how not to swap buckets 101. Sparky, he got a week off paid because union, a new nickname, reverse polarity, and every time someone needs a bucket swap now, they yell across the floor, "Hey reverse, you sure that's the right one?" Moral, the industrial electrical work close enough is the enemy of energized, and always triple check the part number, especially when the coffee's gone cold and the line's costing $10,000 an hour. Thanks for listening, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.